Hey, it's Brianna. Thank you for stopping back to see yet another video of mine. So today I'm going to show you how you measure your nails for press-on nails and how people who have press-on businesses can measure nails and do the conversions for their clients. So first things first, you're going to need some nail tips. I have a opera tips and I have some Marquardt tips. So I'm going to show you how to measure both of these because the sizes vary with these. You're gonna need a tape measure, some scissors, tape, a pen, paper, and a marker. I'm gonna bring y'all around over here. All right, y'all, so first thing first, Gel X tips, the opera tips, they vary from just about any other tip, in my opinion. I have the sculpted coffin, and I have Marquardt's long ballerina tips. So I know that for myself, I am a number 2 for my thumb in Marquardt's nail tip. The number 2 in Opera medium sculpted fits perfectly and it's not tight at all. But you'll notice that the apex here, the apex right there is hella strong, like, so you have to use a lot of glue when you're using these tips. But anyway, I'm going to show you all how to measure because clearly a number 2 in Opera is much wider than a number 2 in Marquardt, and you can tell the sidewalls don't line up, so you have to be able to measure the right fit for your client. Okay, so we're going to put these aside for now. Left hand, ooh Lord. Left hand and right hand. You want your thumb, pointer, middle, ring finger, and your pinky. You want this for both, obviously, you know, so. All right, so you want to have your tape and your marker as well as your pen. And what I'm going to do is take some tape and measure the widest part of my nail. You really want to use clear tape just for visibility. And you want to mark each side like that. Take the tape off and get your measuring tape. You want to make sure that your tape is on the millimeter side and not the inches side. So I'm going to start where I can see. So I'm going to put my first mark at the edge of 3. Let's see. Go. Oop. And then you want to count the millimeters in between. So I have 1, 2, 3. If y'all don't have glasses, or if you need glasses, this is gonna be kind of hard because I have to start over. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So my thumb is 16 millimeters. So on my paper, I'm gonna write down 16 millimeters. And I'm just going to do the same thing for all of my fingers. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 millimeters. You're gonna do that for all of your fingers. My camera is about to die right now, but for 16 millimeters, that means that my thumb is a size 1. And my index finger is a size 3. So once you do this for all of your fingers, usually your right hand and your left hand are going to be the same size, but there are instances where it's not. So you'll use these numbers right here to order your custom nail sizes. I just want to thank you all for coming back to watch yet another one of my videos. Please stay tuned next week as I show you all how I price my nails. Thank you and have a great day. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.